To perform a move-out in Yardi Voyager, start by accessing the system and navigating to the lease or unit you want to process the move-out. 4. Begin by selecting the lease and clicking on the Move Out button. This will bring up the Move Out screen where you can enter the move-out date and any relevant notes. Next, review the lease agreement and verify the move-out details, including the lease end date and any outstanding charges or fees. It is essential to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date to avoid any discrepancies or errors. Now, proceed to update the unit status to vacant. This will remove the tenant from the unit and make it available for new leases. You can also use this opportunity to inspect the unit and document any damages or needed repairs. In the Move Out screen, you will also have the option to generate a move-out statement. This will provide a detailed breakdown of all charges and payments associated with the lease. Review the statement carefully and ensure that all charges are accurate and accounted for. Once you have completed the move-out process, be sure to save and confirm all changes. It is also a good practice to notify the accounting team of the move-out, so they can update their records and process any final invoices or refunds. By following these steps, you can efficiently and effectively process a move-out in Yardi Voyager, ensuring that all necessary information is updated and accurate. Remember to always double-check your work and verify that all changes have been saved and confirmed, to avoid any errors or discrepancies.